What the what?
Paddle, dog. Like, you of all people don't know.
I know exactly what you're talking about. So we've never shown you Eric's car. It's a red 135i, but he's got a massive turbo on it. New injectors, new coil pack. He's got a freaking upgraded clutch. What is it? OS Geekin, you said?
OS Geekin.
Yeah, and then he put, you know, the BMW M wide body fenders. Well, they're not wide body, but wider fenders. So he wanted to run a square setup, you said, right?
Yep.
And then the M fascia, he's making tons of power boost, but his clutch couldn't handle it. So he got a stage 3 plus. Big boy right there, and he's gonna have a fat calf muscle. And yeah, he got a new shifter, which I think we showed you. But right now we're taking out the transmission. Tony is trying to get out this bolt, and I was gonna have Eric explain his car, but let's just pull up that list right there, bud, because you know, I'm not gonna. No, that's gonna be like half this video. Oh Jesus. He got a fancy new shift knob too that we gotta show. Oh man, woo! But like I mentioned, they are currently trying to take out the transmission for his stage 3 plus clutch so we can put in. But the biggest pain in the ass of this entire process that Tony is working on right now is trying to get some bolts out in there. We're still on this stupid bolt. The thing, well, why do I even try, honestly?
The top bolt for transmission.
Yeah. The bell housing bolt, and did you get the one off the starter yet? Oh, Tina with the fan. Buy a BMW, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Plan B, we can't get it from the top, back there. So Eric is gonna try and get it from the bottom, and hopefully with this long pull he's got, we can do it because...
Double extension.
Double extension, because right now it's not coming out. Yay! They got it! They got it! The only way to understand how to work on your car, YouTube. Caveman, look at tool. Caveman, pick tool. What was that? Is that what the hell is? No. Oh, I'm God, sir. Oh. What the hell? What?
Paddle, dog. Like, you of all people don't know.
I know exactly what you're talking about. That's for a light spanking. So Tony's trying to wedge it out over there.
Hey,
so we
Devin,
can slide it.
can you-
And now I got a task. What?
Can you go get the hammer?
No.
Give it to this guy. Oh,
Yeah, I guess you just gotta see if you can at least get it in the crevice. He's got it! Transmission is loose, buds. Alright, this is gonna be harder for them and it's gonna look easy for you. And 3, 2, 1. See? Told you. Easy.
We gotta get this cable.
Challenge number 2. Trying to get out from underneath the car with it. We didn't really think this one through, did we? You just gotta give it a little wiggle. Oh! Whoa, there! Oh, he almost died, bro.
Save your
Tony
life.
almost got sliced.
That blade.
Sliced. Like some damn jelly bean.
Oh, look at those hot spots. Holy
What?
your flywheel.
These?
Holy
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
That's slipping.
Oh, is that what that is?
Slipping and sliding, my lord. Woo. This should really say powered by pain in the ass because that's what this car is to work on. BMW graphics are hilarious. Let's just look at this. That homie